Hello. So today I'd like to talk to you about the ammonia-based fertilizers that we put on our lawns, gardens, and farms, and how that nitrogen can end up in the atmosphere as a very stable, very powerful greenhouse gas called nitrous oxide. So nitrous oxide is an important greenhouse gas because it can survive in the atmosphere for more than 100 years, and it's 200 times more effective at trapping heat than carbon dioxide. Now, as a society, we apply so much man-made ammonia-based fertilizer that we have doubled the amount in the environment. And this has led to an unbalancing of the nitrogen cycle, as you can see here behind me. Now, my work focuses on a particular group of bacteria called the ammonia oxidizing bacteria. These bacteria can be found just about anywhere you look for them in the environment, from soils to lakes, rivers, even the oceans. But what makes these bacteria so special is that they use ammonia and not sugars like all of us do to get all of their cellular energy. So previous work has shown that these bacteria can convert ammonia into nitrous oxide. But all of these studies have been done with species that grow in environments with very high ammonium concentrations. Think wastewater treatment plants. But the results of these studies have been used to model nitrous oxide production for all ammonia oxidizing bacterial species. So in my thesis, I want to compare these findings of nitrous oxide production to species that live in environments with low ammonium concentrations. So to do this, I've been genetically comparing species that live in environments with both high ammonium and low ammonium to look at the differences between them. What I've been able to find is ammonia oxidizing bacterial species that live in environments with these low ammonium concentrations don't have the classical genes necessary to convert ammonium into nitrous oxide. Now, this doesn't mean that they aren't making any nitrous oxide at all, but what it does tell us is that if they're doing it in a totally different way, and likely producing different amounts than the species that live in environments with these elevated ammonium concentrations. So what this tells us, what this allows us to do, is better model how shifts in microbial communities are going to change that environment's nitrous oxide production rates. And ultimately, how much of this nitrous oxide is going to be released into the atmosphere to be able to act as a greenhouse gas. So the take-home message from this is when it comes to microbial nitrous oxide production, one size does not fit all. Thank you very much.